Hello, and today in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to install Jet Set Radio Future multiplayer on Linux. I'll be showing you how to configure Wine, improve performance with DXVK, and run the game smoothly. Let's get started. So before we can begin playing the game, we actually have to install Wine version 5. And if you want to learn how to do that, specifically under Ubuntu, you can click on the video that's linked on the top right hand corner of this video to download the game. And once you have Wine installed, just go to this page and you just want to scroll down and you want to click on this download button. So once you have the game downloaded, you're going to basically go inside your file manager, and it's basically going to be inside the zip, so just unzip the file and then you should see this. It's basically the game under Unity. And we actually still can't play it now. We actually have to configure Wine. So if you have Wine installed, just type in the terminal wine cfg. And since this is your first time doing it, it might try to configure Wine for the first time. So if it prompts you to ask you to install anything, just press yes, install. This might take a while too. So once this opens up, I think this should be the first page you should see, which is the Applications tab. So once this is selected, just change this to Windows 10. Just click Apply. And let's see if we have to change this. So usually I would just leave this alone, it would work fine. And over here, this is where we're going to actually install the directx libraries. So we currently don't have one. So if we actually, right now we can actually play the game, but if you try to run it right now, it's actually going to be really, the performance is going to be really bad. So we're actually going to be, now this is part where we're going to actually install DXVK. So to download DXVK, we're going to go to this page. So you just want to go to this specific page. This is basically the releases of this technology, so we're just going to scroll down. And you always want to download the latest one. So the latest one as of this video is 1.7.2. So you just want to download the tar file. And once it's finished, you just want to go to your file manager again. And it would be in this file. So if you want to learn how to extract it, just go to the terminal and make sure it's under your directory in the balance folder. And you want to type in tar xvf and just the file name. I just press tab, so all it completes, and just press enter, and then should open. You just want to go here, and now this is where we're going to go specifically to this page to basically copy and paste the commands to install. Okay, so to install DXVK, we just have to copy and paste these two simple commands, but this one might confuse some people. So path to wine prefix basically means where your wine prefix folder is. So, and we're going to execute these two commands under the DXVK directory. So you're just going to go inside, and you want to make sure that you're inside here. So to check that, just type in pwd, and you can tell it's right here. So usually the wine prefix, where the wine folder is, that's usually in the home directory. So to execute this command, you just want to just copy part of this. And we're gonna just type in home directory, so that should be wine. And then once that's done, just copy the last command. And again, make sure you're doing this all under the DXVK folder. And if you knew you did, if you've done this correctly, this should open up prompting you that it's actually copying files over. Alright, and for the fun part, let's actually run the game. So since I've played this game before, it should I should have some of my characters loaded up. But and if you want to launch this game without using the terminal, just right click on this file right here, and click on the with other application. And if you don't see this Wine Windows program loader, just just click this button right here, and I think you should find it, and just select it, and it should launch the game. And so two things I've noticed. So one, if you actually click outside of the window, it's actually not going to work at all anymore. So the best way to prevent that is just to play on full screen, and don't and don't do anything else. Just instead of just playing the game. Just play the game and in full screen, and nothing bad should happen, and you should work perfectly fine. And second is I couldn't figure out how to connect it with my controller, so I use a Bluetooth PS4 controller, but so far I couldn't figure out how to make that work. So I'm just playing this in Windows right now, just to show you. And let's try to play online. So let's play right here. And also I'm actually playing this on medium settings since I don't know, I don't really notice too much on ultra. So as you can see, I think since I'm recording this video at 30 FPS, it should be showing 30, but I'm seeing around like 56ish FPS, and it looks really smooth for me. So yeah, I've playing real smoothly. And since I'm playing with the keyboard, it's a bit weird, but once I got used to it, it actually feels pretty solid. And that's better. So thank you for watching the video. I'll try to post more videos soon, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.